Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2017 GMC Denali Yukon XL in white frost with a jet black interior. Look at that grille. This full-size four-wheel drive SUV has 71,000 miles on it. It has a 6.2 liter V8 engine. We have adaptive cruise control with forward auto braking and Intellibeam auto high beam lights. This has a class 3 hitch. And there's just so much space in the back. Even with all the seats up, you have this much extra storage. And back here, you'll be able to put that third row down, revealing captain's chairs in the middle. And from here, you'll be able to pop those back up. Super cool. And you can put the second row down from here, but you'll have to manually pop that one back up. It has running boards and a cool spoiler on the back. Storage galore. And these captain's chairs are beautiful. This has the open road package, so you get screens in the third row, for the third row folks, and for the second row, keeping everyone entertained and happy. Heated seats in the second row, plenty of outlets, four-way climate control. Memory seating for two, Bose sound system. These front seats are ventilated, so they're cooled and heated. This is all of your trailer goodies, your trailer brake. This has navigation. Got your heated and cooled seats right here. Super secret, cool USB port. Also a great place to hide your wallet. Out of sight, out of mind. Some more outlets, cup holders, and more space for your things. All right, well, this is stock number 6044B. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. And we'd love to see you on US Route 1 in Scarborough, 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough. And we get cool trade-ins like this all the time. And we also service all brands, almost all brands. GMC is included. Then we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.